Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. For this video, we are going to be opening a package that I received from MelodySusies. I have been using MelodySusies products, and when I say products, I'm talking about their nail drill, their lamp. I've used their dust collector, and I really liked a lot of their products. I currently still use their nail lamp and their drill. Their drills are probably one of the most favored that I think that I love. I love their nail drill, so every time they send me a nail drill, I'm super excited. I'm trying to show you guys. I use it all the time. I'm currently using the Sparkle Plus Pro. I'm using the Sparkle Pro right now, and it is my go-to nail drill, and it has lasted me since the first day they sent it. But I'm super excited because they sent me a package. It is their 13th year anniversary today, and congratulations to you, MelodySusies. 13 years, and you're still going strong. You're still delivering amazing products, and they sent me a package, and I'm super excited about it. I'm super excited to show you guys what I received. So like I said, let's just open up this package and show you guys all of these goodies. So straight out the box itself. Ooh. So if I'm not mistaken, this is a limited edition bundle box that they created specifically for their 13th. Look how pretty this box is. Go MelodySusies. If I'm not mistaken, so from the 25th, which today, all the way through till September 22nd. So the 25th of August all the way to the 25th of September, this box that I'm showing you right now is going for $409, $410. Let's just put it at $410. So they're gonna give me a code that you guys can go and you can get it for $200, half off. Let's go, MelodySusies. All right, first thing first, we have this card, 13th MelodySusies. Happy 13th birthday. It's time to celebrate. Let's open the box and have some fun together. I need a little hat, like a birthday hat for MelodySusies. Ooh, we got some goodies. We're gonna open this one by one. Let's put this to the side. First thing I'm pulling three things out. So we have some sanding bands. So each bag holds 100 pieces. So this is the 80 grit. We have, oh, this one don't say nothing. A 150 grit, Q and pink. And this one has no sticker. But this purple one, I'll double check. I'll put in the description what this one is because it doesn't have anything on it. So yeah, we have 3 different types of sanding bands. And then we have, ooh, look at the little sticker too. How cute. A purple cute manicure kit. Is it purple or pink? Oh, it matches my background. So we have some nail tip cutters. Oh, look, and it has like a little pouch. We have some nippers. Oh, these look good too. Look at that. I'm afraid of nippers, I'm not even gonna lie. I like to use it off camera. I don't like to show me physically recording myself doing it. I don't know, it makes me nervous. So we have a cuticle pusher, and I love this style of cuticle pushers. This is the scraper where you can scrape up all like that dead skin that's on the nail plate. And then this one is perfect for removing any kind, like if you're gonna do a soak off, or like soak off your gel polish, or like let's say you use acrylic. You can go ahead and just scrape all of that gunk off, and then also use this side to clean up around the edges. So that's what comes in this little kit right here. We have a couple of drill bits. None of them say like the name of it. This one is a safety bit. Can you see that? And it looks like a fine safety bit. None of them have names on them. We have like a little cuticle. I have actually one of these in my kit. This is like a snake head drill bit. So they give you 6 different bits to do your set. Once I find the names for it, I'll just link it, and then you guys know specifically what's inside this kit. Next thing, what is this thing? Oh, it's a little bit holder. Oh, this is cute. Look at you, little thing. Last thing, oh, and I knew this was coming. I knew it was coming. I am excited for this. So this is the last thing that's coming in this anniversary box. This is the Jade Plus rechargeable nail drill. This is one of their newer nail drills. Ew. Oh, another green one. So it comes with your manual. So I have a couple stuff that they told me about this drill already. Look at how pretty she looks. Look at how pretty. You guys know me. I love gold. Y'all, she is light and small. The green, it also has like a shimmer to it. That is pretty. The other jewel that I had like a flat metallic color. Oh, look, even the button. It's not even a button. It's like a little switch. I really hope they match the hand. Okay. So in this, you're also getting more bits, guys. So we have both of these drill bits right here. So we have the large barrel medium, and this one has nothing. But these do look like they are specifically for righties, especially this one. So me being a lefty, it'll be a little bit harder for me to use it. They give you the little hand rest piece, a little side piece if you wanted to hook it to your hip. And then you'll put your, you know, your little drill piece in there. We have some more bits. These are more for like your cuticle and your prep, or you even apply any kind of product on top. Yeah, they matched it. It would have been so dope if they did this in gold. But it matches. Okay. Let's see. So we have the forward and reverse. We have this cute little knob. I'm turning it on and it is quiet. That's all the way. That is all the way. Look at how quiet that is. Yeah, so a little bit about this drill. I'm gonna read it really fast. It goes up to 35,000 RPM. It has a brushless motor, smaller in size. It's wireless. You can charge this 2.5 hours and it'll last over 8 hours. I know for me, when I used the MelodySusies Sparkle Pro, I will charge it, and I'm not even lying, I will charge it maybe like an hour. And I would not have to recharge it again for the next couple of weeks. It also depends on how much you use it, and I use mine a decent amount. So yeah, it lasts 8 hours after a 2.5 hour fully charged drill. It has a vintage appearance. It says the design is inspired by the early 18th century architecture, and it can make your manicure operations more pleasing to the eyes. You guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I literally thought that was everything, and it is not. There's something else. Look at this cute little pouch, and it's in my favorite color, pink. Oh, what is this? This is, okay, so this is the UV protective gloves. So if you're somebody who's like sensitive to the light, or like allergic, I know a couple people are allergic to just like the light in general, they can't take it, or if they have like eczema on their hands, you can use these gloves and it'll protect you, and you can still get your nails done and get all popping and stuff. You know, what are these little clips? Oh, they're not clips, they're little hearts. So we have these 3 little packs of hearts. I'm not sure what they are. I don't know if they're intended to put on the nail, or you can put like a color on it and use it for something. Number 4. Okay, MelodySusies, you're gonna have to explain this to me because I'm not sure what they are for. If you guys know what these are used for, let me know. If you know, you let me know. So we got 3 packs of these. Ooh, we have a pack of dotting tools. Well, these all look like the same size. Okay, this side is different. I have a pack of 5 dotting tools. And then this is probably my favorite thing. Look at this fluffy little brush. Oh, this is perfect. This is just so pretty to use, and it's just like delicate, you know, like
let me just take that dust off of you.
Ew. So I did not even know that was included in the anniversary box. So that's exciting. I think that jewel alone is literally worth the $200. And the fact that you're getting everything else included in it is just like a bonus. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, thank you everyone for taking time to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.